Learn how to make Google as your homepage in Mozilla Firefox. So we have successfully installed the the Firefox browser, and we have this Google search here, but you want the Google page right here. So what we will do is we will just type google.com, and we will simply copy this address bar by just doing a right click and click on copy. And then we will click on this three lines at the top right corner, and then we will go to settings. And in settings, we have many options like home, general, and a lot of other things. So the moment we click on home, here you will find a home page and new windows. You can simply see custom URLs and blank page. So in custom URL, you can simply select paste. I mean, just do a right click and paste it. And the new tabs also, if you want the Google Chrome, then you can select the Google page. Or if you want the default, you can do that. So I have selected home page and new windows, google.com, and we are good to go. Now I'll close it and I'll open Google Chrome, and you can see I have the Google right away in my computer. So this is how you can make Google as your homepage in Mozilla Firefox. Please hit the like and subscribe, and do let me know whether you have successfully made the Google as homepage in Firefox. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.